Welcome, a breakthrough technology has been achieved, and that is to directly capture the carbon from the atmosphere, and this is called as direct air capture technology. Now an interesting project, the foundation for which has been laid in Texas. Now this would be at a on-site wind energy where the biggest challenge would be the cost. Now it is estimated that this project would come into effect by 2028. The cost would be somewhere around $500, which would be the estimate cost per ton of carbon dioxide being reduced using direct air capture. So you can understand how costly this would be, and the total project cost is estimated somewhere at around 500,000 to remove 500,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide to be removed annually. Now how this process would work? First of all, the EDF, which is the company EDF Renewables, would operate on the on-site wind farms. Now the direct air capture operations would run. This would be a low-cost electricity power cable technology which would be required to return the carbon, and then there would be the capturing of the carbon which would be permanently stored in underground facilities by verified carbon. So this would be a basic situation where it would be beneficial for the direct air capture operators as well as the wind farm operators, because wind farm operators would have the reduction in the risk of negative power pricing because they would ensure consistent buyer for the energy. On the other hand, DAC operators would have consistent supply of low cost clean electricity which would be very crucial for making the direct air capture technology a viable solution. So what has been very important to understand is the annual carbon capacity has been compared to the emissions from the traditional power infrastructure, and it shows that how much amount and metric tons of carbon can be removed through the direct air capture, as you can see in the graphic here. Now why Texas has been chosen for this? Because Texas has a lot of wind resource. The Gulf Coast provides a good wind area in the region, and again the geological conditions are ideal where you can capture the carbon deep underground. So this would be a beneficial solution in that way as well. So this was a very important news capture that we could see. We would be covering other important news highlights in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned for more updates from our side. Thanks for joining in.